Yep, it's only been raining for about 45 seconds. Just now. And this is what we have. And there's also lightning everywhere. Just look at the sheets of water just pounding. And we just had an area flood advisory in effect just right now. There's a little lake over there. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area just now for the current location. As I'm recording this video.